Sound of vowel A. A. Say the names of the pictures and fill in the missing letters. Fan, cat, tap, hay, dad, bag. Look at the pictures and write the names using jumbled letters. Dam, jar, mat, pan.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.